Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve issues you might have with blurry text on your Windows device. So pretty straightforward. If you're experiencing display issues like the font doesn't appear crisp and sharp, this tutorial, like it normally would, this tutorial will hopefully address that problem. And we're going to pretty much start by opening up the Start menu, and we're going to type in ClearType. One of the best results that come up should be adjust ClearType text. You want to left click on that. So you want to make sure this checkbox is checked where it says turn on ClearType, and then it says ClearType makes the text you see on your screen sharper, clearer, and easier to read. If this is not checkmarked to begin with, you probably have an issue, and this will resolve it for you, just in itself probably. So make sure that's checkmarked, and then even if it is checkmarked, you can still select next here. It'll give us options to select the text sample that looks best to you. And there's 5 other screens we have to go through after we make our selection. And each selection, I believe, is determined on the one before it. So let's say we think the first one looks better. It'll give us a best match based on our previous observation. So we're just going to follow along with all of their suggestions here. And we can see that once you've gone through all the prompts, you have finished tuning the text on your monitor. Once you're done, just left click on the finish button in the bottom right, and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial worked for you guys and helped you out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.